Hey guys, it's Mac and this is the tutorial on how to sew a chapstick holder together. So you need printed vinyl and then a lining. I use fairy fabric because it's super thin and easy on your machine, and it doesn't make your chapstick too thick necessarily. So I kind of would rather have fairy fabric than any other lining, but you can use something else if you prefer. You're gonna need an eyelet. See if my thing can focus. There we go. An eyelet and your snap plier kit, and then obviously a chapstick. So you want to cut out your pieces. This is your backing piece. This is going to be 4 by 1.5. This is your lining. This is also 4 by 1.5. And then this is your front panel. This is 3 by 1.5. So what you want to do, I'm actually going to do a little secret trick and grab some double-sided tape. If you guys don't have this, you seriously need to get it. It is a huge lifesaver. I'm just going to slap some double-sided tape on here and peel the back off and throw my lining on. That way I don't have to worry about it shifting at all. And then this is my front panel. And I'm going to just add this on like so. Grab some clips, clip this guy here, clip this guy here. Much better. Now we're gonna stitch around here. And once you get to here, you can curve your corners a little bit. So kind of show you. Oh, step 1, turn your machine on. Okay. So I'm going to start over here. So I didn't do the greatest job on my curve, obviously, but that's okay. It's called handmade. Okay. Now you want to take your scissors and cut around this curve here. There we go. I'm going to cut this curve too. I just realized I didn't show you where I was cutting. Okay, I cut. This curve, and these curves. Now, when we slide our chapstick in, it should fit nice and smooth. Okay, that's what my backing looks like. That's what my front looks like. Now, we have this extra little piece right here. That's where you want to put your eyelet clip. So I just added my eyelet and all done.